Finding the best spray bottle can make all the difference when it comes to cleaning, gardening, or styling. Whether you're looking for a fine mist for plants or a durable option for everyday use, the right bottle combines functionality and design. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated spray bottles available, highlighting their features and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Let's dive in. ZEP Professional Sprayer Bottle. The ZEP Professional Sprayer Bottle is a fantastic tool that offers great value for those who need a reliable, high-output sprayer for various tasks. This 32-ounce sprayer delivers impressive performance with more than 3 cubic centimeters per pull and a powerful spray stream that reaches up to 30 feet. The adjustable nozzle allows for versatile spraying, from a fine mist to a targeted stream, which makes it perfect for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features is the ergonomic trigger, which reduces fatigue by allowing for a comfortable 3-finger grip. This makes it easy to use for extended periods without discomfort. The graduated measurements on the bottle are a helpful addition, making it simple to mix and refill accurately. Additionally, the designated labeling area ensures that users can quickly identify the contents for future use. With its durable build and versatile functionality, the ZEP Professional Sprayer Bottle is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an efficient and easy-to-use sprayer. Whether for cleaning, gardening, or maintenance, this sprayer is designed to make tasks easier, and for the price, it offers impressive value. Sally's Organics Spray Bottle Set. The Sally's Organics Spray Bottle Set is a fantastic, eco-friendly solution for those looking to reduce their plastic waste. This 6-pack of 16-ounce refillable bottles is perfect for storing everything from essential oils to cleaning solutions. Made from thick amber glass, the bottles provide UV protection, keeping your liquids safe from light degradation. The black trigger sprayer is durable and offers adjustable mist, stream, and off settings, making it versatile for any task. The ergonomic sprayer design ensures comfortable use with minimal fatigue. Plus, the graduated measurements on the side make refilling easy and accurate. The bottles come with phenolic caps for secure, leak-proof storage. The added bonus of 6 labels helps keep everything organized, whether you're using the bottles for aromatherapy, homemade cleaners, or beauty products. What sets these bottles apart is their environmental impact. By choosing these glass bottles over plastic, you're making a sustainable choice that's both cost-effective and eco-conscious. Overall, the Sally's Organics Amber Glass Spray Bottles offer excellent quality, durability, and functionality at a reasonable price. RAYSON Empty Spray Bottle. Introducing the RAYSON Empty Spray Bottle, a must-have for anyone seeking a versatile, high-quality spray solution this year. This 8-ounce fine mist sprayer is ideal for taming hair, styling, watering plants, or showering pets. It's crafted from durable PET plastic and features a leak-proof design, ensuring you won't lose a single drop of liquid. The extra long straw guarantees every last drop is used efficiently, making it a sustainable option for various uses. One standout feature is its all-angle spraying capability. Whether you need to spray sideways or upside down, this bottle delivers an even mist with precision, making it perfect for hard-to-reach areas. It's also suitable for a range of liquids, from essential oils and DIY lotions to air fresheners and cleaning solutions. RAYSON's commitment to quality shines through with a well-built nozzle and leak-proof construction designed to last. The bottle is a fantastic solution for both personal and professional use, delivering consistent performance across various applications. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable spray bottle, the RAYSON Empty Spray Bottle is definitely worth considering. DRIEW Plant Mister Spray Bottle. Next up, we have the DRIEW Plant Mister Spray Bottle, an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable misting bottle for plants, cleaning, or hair care. This 10-ounce, 300-milliliter bottle is made from high-quality BPA-free PET and PP materials, ensuring it is both eco-friendly and durable. The transparent design allows you to easily monitor how much liquid is left, making it convenient for regular use. What sets the DRIEW Plant Mister apart is its fine mist spray, delivering a smooth and even distribution of liquid. Whether you're watering delicate plants or applying hair products, it ensures precision. The safety buckle and threaded neck effectively prevent leaks, so you won't have to worry about spills. Compact at 2.4 by 7.2 inches, this bottle fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use for extended periods. It's perfect for various applications, including gardening, cleaning, and salon use. Plus, the after-sale service from DRIEW is excellent, offering assistance if needed. For anyone in need of a versatile and leak-proof spray bottle, the DRIEW Plant Mister Spray Bottle is a solid choice. Grove Company Refillable Spray Bottle. The Grove Company refillable spray bottle is a standout solution for eco-conscious individuals seeking a sustainable and customizable cleaning experience. Crafted from partially recycled glass and featuring a non-slip silicone sleeve, this bottle not only reduces single-use plastic waste but also offers a sleek, modern design. The innovative slide and snap labeling system ensures that organizing your cleaning routine is both simple and personalized. This 16-ounce bottle is perfectly sized for Grove Quant cleaning concentrates. It's easy to fill, just add water and the cleaning concentrate, shake gently, and you're ready to go. The bottle and silicone sleeve are dishwasher safe, while the nozzle requires hand washing for best care. What truly sets this bottle apart is its commitment to sustainability. Packaged in recyclable materials, the Grove Company refillable spray bottle is part of the brand's mission to reduce plastic waste. Whether you're using it for general cleaning or tackling tough messes, this bottle's functionality and design make it an essential tool in any home. It's the ideal choice for those wanting a stylish, eco-friendly way to maintain a cleaner, greener home.